Alrighty, Market Roadmap subscribers. It is April 24th, 2022. Welcome to the Market Roadmap. So, let's jump into it, shall we? Without getting too crazy here, Apple has pulled back. If it maintains this higher low than we had down here, this can be super bullish, and a break back above 170, say 172, becomes super bullish, like right back above here. So if we see a bounce like this, bullish, and then confirmation when we move up through here. Why here? Because that's the top of the, this pullback on the way down, that's the top of the candles. We'll break back above that. We got to see a daily close up there. All right, moving on. BP, this one looks like it's going to come down for another chance at the roadmap. Watch out for a bounce or just a breakout up above this up here. Some previous lines on here. Reset these to the current run. Yeah, found some resistance at the 618. So we need to see a move up through that area right there. All right. That's what I always warn about. Make sure you get your daily close above the 618. Didn't happen there. All right. One that the members pointed out in the members area, COW. This one looks pretty darn good. Bounce, nice, clean. We do have some resistance we're finding here, so move up through 40, say 40.40 on a daily close basis should be indicative of a continuation, hopefully. It's more of a conservative type entry. The aggressive was already back here, so I'd wait for it to clear that high. If it's clearing that high, looks like a run out to 42. That's what, 5% move, 40, almost 43, and 44 on the upside. So that's almost a 10% move. Not bad at all. Lamar kind of came back down, bouncing. Tried to break out, couldn't quite maintain it. This was on the list in February. Kind of mucked it up a little bit. If you got long based on this move up here, make sure your stop's right down in this area. Just hasn't been able to get the breakout going yet. This is kind of a brand new pop up through and pull back on a smaller time frame scale. A little bit smaller time frame. So looking at this right here, it looks like 121, 123 would be resistance. And then if we can get the breakout, we'd see a move up to potentially 130 with the confluence of the fib lines up there. Right around there. So that's Lamar. That's like billboards along the freeway type situation or highway, whatever. Definitely a lot of Lamar signs around here in Knoxville. So Twitter, a pop up through, pull back to the roadmap line, holding support. Friday, getting back above. So a move up through 51. I have an alert at 50, but 51 would probably kind of confirm this right here. Set another alert right around 51 right there. We can set alert there too. If we see a move up through there, the daily close up in this area, that's going to be pretty bullish for 57 or 60. Even though Elon Musk's, what is it, 54.20 is like his 54.20 is his offer or whatever. Well, we could see it break on out and run. So just keep an eye on that one. It's got some other news going on. It is involved in some crypto stuff. There's a whole lot of things that could be going on here. So, all right, URA, Global X Uranium, pulling down and to the bounce. Couldn't get the momentum going. Came down for another check. So we'll see if this holds or if it's going to fail and go lower. So right there. All right. We're getting confluence up here around 35 if it can actually get a move going. All right, XLF. This one is going to be bearish. It's kind of a bearish setup. So we broke down through, retested, and we kind of muddied it up here, then broke down through, retest, held, and we're moving down. This one's closer to targets, but watch out for another retest and a bounce down again. So this one's only looking for like 36, 35. We haven't really talked about many bearish cases, but this one's looking pretty good for continuation lower. So XLF. All right, XLV coming down, gonna test. It's got a nice 1, 2, 3 setup retrace right down, holding this area right here. If we get a bounce anywhere in this zone right here, let's remove that red box from before. If we get a bounce in this zone right here, this one can take off. Yeah, all I've got to work with is now. I think it'll pull back a little bit more, and looks like it could run out to 146, 150. All right, that's the list for the week. Apple, BP, Cal, Lamar, Twitter, Uranium, Global X, Uranium, XLF, financial sector, and XLV, healthcare. That will be the watch list for the week. As usual, if you got questions, come visit me in Discord, ask them, and I'll see you again next week. Oh, one last note. If you're watching on YouTube and you want this list alive, check out the link in the description, jeffreytrader.com/MRM. Come join us. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.